Hello guys, today I will show you how you can copy one Power BI file dataset to other Power BI file using Power Query Editor mode. So you can see here, this is my first file and my file name is DAX, and under DAX file we have two dataset. You can see here in right hand side under field section we have two dataset. One is orders and second one is sample table. Now I will show you my second file. This is my second file and my file name is untiled, and there is no dataset in right hand side under field section. You can see here this is blank. Now I will copy both dataset from first Power BI file to second Power BI file. So for this we have to go under edit queries. So just click to edit queries. So you can see here this is Power Query Editor window, and in left hand side we have two dataset. One is orders and sample table. So just right click to orders and then go to advanced editor and copy the query and then click to done. Now go to second file and click to edit queries, and you can see here in left hand side there is no dataset. Just right click and then go to new query and click to blank query, and after that click to advanced editor and remove old query from here and paste your query here and then click to done. So you can see here from first Power BI file we successfully copy orders dataset to second Power BI file. So you can see here this is my second Power BI file. My file name is untiled, and here we successfully copy order dataset. So you can see here this is order dataset data, and just right click and rename the dataset. This is orders dataset and then click to close and apply. So you can see here this is order dataset and it is successfully copied from first Power BI file to second Power BI file. So this is one way to copy dataset from one Power BI file to other Power BI file. Now I will explain you another way. So go to first Power BI file, click to edit queries, and from left hand side using control key you can select multiple dataset. See here I select both dataset, then just right click and click to copy, then go to second Power BI file, click to edit queries. So you can see here this is my second Power BI file, and right click here and then click to paste. So you can see here I have already orders dataset, so that's why it created orders too. And you can see here both datasets has been successfully copied from first Power BI file to second Power BI file. So you can see here this is orders dataset and this is sample table dataset. Then click close and apply. So now you can see here both dataset has been loaded successfully in under my field section. So you can see here this is orders 2 dataset and this one is sample table dataset. So using this step you can easily copy dataset from one Power BI file to other Power BI file. Thank you guys.